Looks to m- it looks like we're live at Real Life Live, and this is the Brice Rhodes case, and this is the final sentence, and we're gonna hear it from Judge Julie Kalin. They're coming in right now, and you are hearing it live. All right.
Okay. Mike Brown, thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift. Very thoughtful. Thank you for the gift.
They're waiting. I don't see the defendant, but the
Would
verdict
you mind
is
to let John
reached.
know that once Mr. Rhodes is out, I'm going to talk to everybody before I bring the jury in?
We're waiting for Rhodes to come out. And here he is, Brice Rhodes.
All right, so I understand that we have a verdict from the jury as to sentence. First of all, I want to thank all of you for sitting through emotional testimony without disrupting the trial. I appreciate that very much. And I sincerely hope that that continues once the jury is back in. Once you leave this courtroom, you are free to have whatever reaction you would like to have. But while in the courtroom, I ask that you not have any reactions to whatever the verdict may be. We're ready. Thank you.
He's standing up, ready. Here he comes. He looks relaxed. Everybody, as he waits.
All rise for the jury.
All right.
Jury for present, Your Honor.
Thank you, Deputy Mills. Now be seated. Has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Mr. Foreperson, if you could please hand the verdict forms to Deputy Mills. Thank you, sir.
He's rubbing his chin again.
Counsel Counsel, would you all approach for just a moment?
Okay, they're gonna take a second here. He's sitting and he's relaxed. Well, I think he knows what's coming. So we're looking at Mr. Rhodes, and he's waiting. The reckoning is here. But he's relaxed. I have to say that. I'm looking at him in the chair. He's kind of, relaxed, moving around, you know, like a hot in the sand. Oh well. Well, here it comes. We're gonna see.
All right. In the matter of Commonwealth of Kentucky versus Brice Rhodes, the jury's verdict is as follows. Count 1, murder as to Christopher Jones. We, the jury, do find beyond a reasonable doubt that an aggravating circumstance exists in this case and fix the defendant's punishment for the murder of Christopher Jones at life without the possibility of parole. For count 2, as to Maurice Gordon, we, the jury, do find beyond a reasonable doubt that an aggravating circumstance exists in this case and fix the defendant's punishment for the murder of Maurice Gordon at life without the possibility of parole. As to count 3, murder Larry Ordway, we, the jury, do find beyond a reasonable doubt that an aggravating circumstance exists in this case and fix the defendant's punishment for the murder of Larry Ordway at life without the possibility of parole. For count 4, tampering with physical evidence, we fix the defendant's punishment for tampering with physical evidence at 5 years. Count 5, abuse of a corpse, Maurice Gordon, we fix the defendant's punishment for abuse of a corpse at 1 year, or 365 days. Count 6, abuse of a corpse, Larry Ordway, we fix the defendant's punishment for abuse of a corpse at 1 year, or 365 days. We, the jury, further recommend that the punishments fixed for the defendant as set forth above be served as follows. All sentences to be served consecutively, meaning one after the other. Signed by the foreperson as to all counts. I will now ask each of you if this is your verdict.
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. All right. Jurors, thank you for your service. I will be speaking with you a little bit further in just a few minutes.
All right.
I'm gonna have you go
He's
back
gone
into
for
the
good.
deliberation room,
And he's
I'll
doing
be
the
back in a few
thing with
moments
the
to speak
chin
with you
again.
just for a little bit. Thank you all.
All right, Mr. Jerry.
All right. Brice Rhodes going to jail for the rest of his life without parole. All right, this is real life live. Yeah, you've seen it all. Almost.
Okay, I'll be seated. Anyone who wishes to leave now may do so. We need to set a separate date at which the court will have final sentencing.
What sort of timetable judges probation or parole on your side right now?
So ordinarily we would pass 6 to 8 weeks, and I think in this instance it would be prudent to go into mid to late March if that's acceptable for you all. And should we perhaps put this case on in the afternoon where we have a little more time, a little more open of the courtroom?
That's fine.
All right. How about March 13th at 1:30?
I'm looking at him, y'all, and it looks like nothing ever happened. He's playing with that chin like he's done the whole trial. So,
March 13th, 1:30.
yeah, hey.
Is there any that
He
we need to
cool.
address
He's
from
cool
any
with
party?
it. Yeah, he just held his front thumbs up. He cool with it.
Judge, there are a
He's
number
cool
of
with
other
going to
cases
jail for
that
life.
assigned to different courtrooms. Judge Cunningham just took them all to make
Okay,
them
dude,
easier.
I'm
I
cool
will
with it too.
make an offer on those so that we can wrap it all up if they so choose.
Oh, he's nervous with that hair, with
No problem.
that chin.
Anything from the defense?
I just wanted to, if we could have those all set on the docket that day as well.
That we actually have already discussed that with the clerk. We will have all of the remaining cases on the docket that day. Mr. Rhodes, I do also want to advise you, although you have very good attorneys, and I'm sure that they have or will discuss this with you as well, but you absolutely have the right to appeal, just like with this case.
Yeah, he just
you're
gave up a
unable to hire an attorney
thumbs
for
up
that
there.
appeal, then the court will appoint an attorney to represent you. Knowing these lawyers, I'm sure that they will walk you through that and talk with you about that, and we will see you all in March. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this is done deal, y'all, and we were there from the verdict, and he's shaking hands, and life in jail. He seems to be taking it very well. I don't know, but it's over, and they're this is it, and all right, we were there. This is the second case, and we were there for hand and pain. I mean, yeah, all the way. And we were there for Brice Rhodes for the final sentencing. Okay, so we'll see the next. We got another one coming, but we're gonna do some work on that before we tell you about it. So all right, this is Real Life Live, and that's the end of the Brice Rhodes case, and we'll be back. All right.